customer ride. So I just reached the airport right now. So I'm making this vlog. This is a kind of special vlog because I have seen a lot of people on YouTube like going to India, visiting there and saying that it's not clear, it's dirty, nasty, different kind of stuff. So this vlog, this series, I'm traveling to India. I'm gonna show you guys like how beautiful. It depends on where you visit in India. I'm gonna visit some rural areas in India, especially Punjab, because that's where I belong to. And I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful actually India is. So stay tuned. There's gonna be weekly vlogs. And right now, my airport. That's my ride. Waiting for that. And I've got 15 more minutes to the boarding, and then we're gonna upload weekly vlogs. So stay tuned.
That sets the stage for a
Got the whole group for myself and hope so, and see you guys when I arrive. Bye. So food is here. I got myself some scrambled eggs with chicken sausages, and that looks like some rare veggies, peas, sweet corn, I don't know what the fuck is else in there, some shortbread, toast, croissant, orange juice and black coffee, some strawberry jam and the butter too. And right now I am near track. Okay, everything's watching movie, everything's working great. I got Wi-Fi on my phone. Till now it's good. I got a whole row for myself. So I'm just laying there. After food I might take a nap. Everything is great. Hope so the food tastes good too. So see you after food. Just finished the food. It was not that great, but it was okay though compared to Air India's reputation. But good. So you should wait. Whole was fine. Stuff is there. I kept the shortbread and some jam for later on trip. Yeah, watching movie. I'm gonna take a nap, and I will see you guys after the nap. So, see you later. Yes, so I just got off from sleep, and dinner is here. Okay, so I got chicken korma with rice and chocolate and raspberry mousse, mineral water, some beetroot, and I don't know what's that, but looks like some chickpeas something, and spread ever. And my phone was completely dead. I put my phone on charge through the USB post, but due to some reasons my phone's very gone from 80 to 70. I think the plane was taking battery from my phone. So good thing I have my drone. I'm using my drone batteries to charge my phone. It's on charge. So yeah, this is the thing. Let's see. Chicken korma with rice. Not too much, but God knows if it's tasty or not. Hopefully it tasty. Lunch was okay. Lunch wasn't that great, but hope so if this thing is good. Till now, it was quite comfy flight. But the food was not that great. Food was okay. I'm not gonna lie. Food was just okay. Yeah, it's already dark outside, and we are just right above, I think, Iraq or somewhere. Yeah, near Baghdad, and that's the food. I'm gonna enjoy the food, and the nap I took. Nap was okay. It wasn't that comfortable, but still, nap was nap. And I'm gonna see you guys once I land now, because I might just take some rest because it's gonna be a whole night right now. Because I have to take coach to reach home, and the coach is gonna take me 6-7 hours, so it's gonna be whole night just traveling, just trying to reach home. Yeah, so see you guys in the morning if I reach home or if something happened in the way. So see you. Yo, just reached the airport. I just exited the airport. It's super fucking hot. Trust me, it's hot. And yeah, so I'm just waiting. I booked my coach from that place, so the coach is at 12. Still like more than 30 minutes left. Oh shit, yeah, more than 30 minutes left for that coach, so I'm just waiting for that. Yeah, I'm just filling all my luggage. I bought perfume from the duty free. It was really good price, so I just bought that one. Sitting on my suitcase, and that's it. Waiting for the bus for now. So once I get the bus, then there's a 6 hours travel from here to my hometown, and it's gonna take a longest time. So stay tuned. And we are Delhi, boy, we are in India, and yeah, stay tuned. I told you it's gonna be whole night. Currently it's 6:23. Still not home. I'm at petrol station right now. Haven't sleep, feeling like super tired right now. I go home, I'm just gonna go straight for a sleep. Yeah, and let's see the temperature. 15 degrees, not bad. Yeah, see you soon when I reach home, or in the way I might record some. Then yeah, I'm gonna put that vlog on. The other one's gonna be the next one. Yeah, so we are at the petrol station.